Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to safely back up your data inside HubSpot. Now, it is important to know that HubSpot does not actually have a magic one-click backup button that downloads your entire account at once. Instead, you secure your data by exporting your individual records. First, log into your dashboard and decide which records you want to save, such as your contacts. Click on the Contacts tab at the top left of your screen and select Contacts from the dropdown. Once your full list of contacts loads, look near the top right of the table and click the Export button. A window will pop up asking how you want to format the file. I highly recommend choosing a CSV format and selecting the option to include all properties, so you do not lose any hidden data that might not be visible on your screen. Once you hit Export, HubSpot will process the file and send a secure download link directly to your email inbox. You'll just need to repeat this quick process for your companies, deals, and tickets to get a complete manual backup of your CRM. If doing this regularly sounds like too much manual work, you can also head over to the HubSpot app marketplace and connect a dedicated third-party backup tool like Rewind, which completely automates the whole thing for you in the background. If this tutorial helped you keep your business data secure today, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments if you prefer doing manual exports or using automated apps. Thanks for watching.